चैप्टर 25 आल फुरकान, इसका माना है द क्राइटेरियन। 25.1 Blessed is the one who sent down the standard to his servant, so that he may be a warner to the whole world. 2. Allah is the one to whom belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, who has never had any offspring, nor does he have a partner in governing the kingdom. He has created everything, ordaining it precisely. 3. Yet they have taken besides him gods who cannot create anything, but are themselves created, nor can they protect or benefit themselves, nor can they control life, death, or resurrection. 4. The disbelievers say, this Quran is nothing but a fabrication which he made up with the help of others. Their claim is totally unjustified and untrue. 5. And they say the revelations are only ancient fables which he has had written down, and they are rehearsed to him morning and evening. 6. Say, O Prophet, this Quran has been revealed by the one who knows the secrets of the heavens and the earth. Surely he is all forgiving, most merciful. 7. And they say mockingly, what kind of messenger is this who eats food and goes about in marketplaces for a living? If only an angel has been sent down with him to be his co-worker. 8. Or a treasure had been cast down to him, or he had a garden from which he may eat. And the wrongdoers say to the believers, you are only following a bewitched man. 9. See, O Prophet, how they call you names. So they have gone so far astray that they cannot find the right way. 10. Blessed is the one, if he wills, can give you far better than all that gardens under which rivers flow, and places as well. 11. In fact, they deny the hour, and for the deniers of the hour, we have prepared a blazing fire. 12. Once it sees them from a distance, they will hear it fuming and growling. 13. And when they are tossed up into a narrow place inside hell, chained together, then there they will cry out for instant destruction. 14. They will be told, do not cry only once for destruction, but cry many times over. 15. Say, O Prophet, is this better or the gardens of eternity which the righteous have been promised as a reward and the ultimate destination. 16. There they will have whatever they wish for forever. That is a promise to be sought after, binding on your Lord. 17. Watch for the day He will gather them along with what they used to worship besides Allah and as the objects to worship. Was it you who misled these servants of mine, or did they stray from the way on their own? 18. They will say, Glory be to you. It was not right for others like us to take any lords besides you, but you allowed enjoyment for them and their forefathers, for so long that they forgot your remembrance and became a doomed people. 19. The doomed will be told, your gods have clearly denied your claims, so now you can neither ward off the punishment nor get any help, and whoever of you does wrong, we will make them taste a horrible punishment. 20. We never sent any messenger before you, O Prophet, who did not eat food or go about in marketplaces. We have made some of you a trial for others. Will you not then be patient? And your Lord is all-seeing. 21. Those who do not expect to meet us say, if only the angels were set down to us, or we could see our Lord. They have certainly been carried away by their arrogance and have entirely exceeded all limits. 22. But on the day you will see the angels, there will be no good news for the wicked, who will cry, keep away from us. 23. Then we will turn to whatever good deeds they did, reducing them to scattered dust. 24. But on the day the residents of paradise will have the best settlement and the finest place to rest. 25. Watch for the day the heavens will burst with clouds and the angels will be sent down in successive ranks.